Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin B12 tablets. Vitamin B12 is crucial for many bodily functions, including maintaining healthy nerve cells and producing red blood cells. These tablets are a convenient way to ensure you get enough of this essential nutrient, especially if your diet is lacking or you have absorption issues. We will cover everything you need to know for easy and effective use, making it simple to incorporate into your daily routine. Determining the right dosage and timing is important for maximizing the benefits of your B12 supplement. For most adults, a daily dose of 1,000 micrograms is often recommended. It is generally best to take your tablet in the morning, preferably on an empty stomach, to aid absorption. Establishing a consistent routine by taking it at the same time daily will help you remember and maintain steady levels. Taking your B12 tablet is straightforward, but the method depends on its form. If you have a sublingual tablet, simply place it under your tongue and allow it to dissolve completely. This usually takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. For swallowable tablets, just take it with a full glass of water, similar to any other pill. Both methods are effective for delivering this vital nutrient. Before beginning any new supplement regimen, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it is right for you. While vitamin B12 is generally very safe, some individuals might experience mild digestive upset, though this is uncommon. Remember to store your tablets properly in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency and effectiveness over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.